Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Jeff from Baxter Memorial Library and I'm coming back to you to teach you all another song on the ukulele. I thought that it would be fun to learn how to play a sea shanty on the ukulele. You may have seen that we ourselves wrote a song for Percy in the vein of a sea shanty. It was originally the Wellerman Sea Shanty. I think you've heard it before, and if not, you can easily find it on YouTube. But this was one that became one of those TikTok sensations. And we thought that it would be fun to bring it into the library and play one with Percy. But today, I took some time to figure out how to play it on the ukulele. So I've come up with a version that has 5 different chords. Some of these chords you've seen before if you've been playing along with these tutorials, and some are brand new. So get ready to learn something new as we go ahead here. Our first chord is A minor. Depending on where we are in the song, your finger that plays this string and fret may change, but it's going to primarily be your middle finger on that 2nd fret, 1st string, the 1st string being the one closest to the ceiling. And that is what it sounds like. All other strings are totally open, so it's only one finger here that's being utilized. Then we have D minor. Your middle finger is going to stay up there in the same spot, and your index finger is going to come right below it on the string below it, and that's your ring finger coming right on the string below it. There it is. Then your index finger is going to be on that 3rd string, 1st fret. There's my index finger. Sounds something like this. That's the D minor. I think it sounds rather lovely. Then we have E7. Index finger moves up to the 1st string, 1st fret. Excuse me, tongue-tied on that one. I've also come to take saying sea shanties as shanties. It just comes right out like that. Index finger, 1st string, 1st fret. Middle finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string. And your ring finger on that final string, the 4th string, 2nd fret. Sounds something like that. Then we have F, which is one that I've taught you all before. Your middle finger is on that 1st string, 2nd fret. And index finger, 1st fret, 3rd string. And leaving those other strings completely open, we have F and C. This one's just the 1 string, 4th string, 3rd fret. We begin with the A minor on once. There once was a dragon at the library. And then on name, we switch to D minor. And the name of that dragon was Percy. Back to A minor. He greeted all the patrons at the door. Now E7. Roar, Percy, A minor, roar. Let's try that one more time, and I'll holler out the chords as we go. There, A minor, once was a dragon at the library, and the D minor, name of that dragon was A minor, Percy. He greeted all patrons at the door. E7, roar, Percy, roar, and on A minor. Okay? Let's try that just a little bit faster, and I won't call out the names of the chords this time. See if you can follow along. I'll go through it twice, so you can pick up wherever you can, all right? 1, 2, 3. There once was a dragon at the library, and the name of that dragon was Percy. He greeted all the patrons at the door. Roar, Percy, roar. One more time. There once was a dragon at the library, and the name of that dragon was Percy. He greeted all the patrons at the the door. Roar, Percy, roar, roar. All right, how did that feel? If you need to take a moment, it's always wise to shake out your hands, let your fingers bounce back. I know that pressing them hard against these strings is a little tiresome, and it's good to take a break now and then. But also smart to just pause the video right there and go back and see if you can pick right back up there and perfect it. And then move along to what's coming next, the chorus. So, to start the chorus, we begin on F. Soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. How does that sound? So, it's the same kind of strumming pattern here, but we're just changing up the chords. So I'll holler out these chords to you as we go through here, okay? 1, 2, 3. F. Soon all the C children will come to D minor, bring him books and A minor, gifts and fun, and F. One day when the C COVID is gone, he'll E7, greet everyone, and end on A minor, roar. So it sounds something like this once you get it all together. Whew. Soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. One more time. Soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. So you'll find that even I myself am tripping up over these chord changes with the fingers. It's been taking me some time, so it's fine if it takes you some time too. Or maybe you're picking up faster than me, in which case I would love you to come into the library and show me your progress. All right. So those are the two things that we have going on here, the verse and the chorus. The only thing that changes here, once we get those chord progressions down, are the words. So I'm going to start playing through the song, and you'll see how we get through the whole thing. There once was a dragon at the library, and the name of that dragon was Percy. He greeted all the patrons at the door. Roar, Percy, roar. Soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. One day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. Now only surrounded by books, boredom drove him to dust in between the nooks. He almost cleaned every single one, but he fell asleep in the grotto. And soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. Then Percy discovered our Facebook vids and exclaimed to himself, well, what is this? He watched all our streams and story times, and he bought a ukulele. And soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. Percy spent time crafting new things, from napkins to bags to nice ice creams. He doodled and baked and collaged a lot, but he had no one to share with. And soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. Soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. And one day when when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roll. So that is our Percy Sea Shanty. I hope that you all enjoyed that, and I hope that you enjoyed getting to learn it. Now, as a bonus, I wanted to offer you all this. That was a very basic strumming pattern, which I really enjoy because it's rather simple. I've just been strumming down this whole time. But if you really want to spice this up and take this to the next level, then tune in. You can pluck the top string with your thumb, and then with your index finger, go up and down on the final 3 strings. It sounds something like this. So try playing the whole song with that strumming pattern. You'll really take it up a notch. And I think it sounds really fantastic, but it does require a little bit more thought there, which is really a good thing. I've found that this ukulele, as with many instruments, is just an excellent tool for improving memory. So try it like this. There. I can't even get started. There. Give me a moment. There once was a dragon at the library, and the name of that dragon was Percy. He greeted the patrons at the door. Roar, Percy, roar. Soon all the children will come to bring him books and gifts and fun. One day when the COVID is gone, he'll greet everyone and roar. Wow, that is quite something. So I would say that is definitely a bonus there. That's an extra layer to this whole piece. So keep on going with that if you absolutely can. Thank you all for tuning in and trying out something new with me. I hope that you all enjoyed this ukulele video, and stay tuned for another 1 or 2 before we hit our summer programming. And then from then on, we'll continue to have these ukuleles in circulation at the library. So these videos will stay up here on Facebook. Thanks, and as always, have a great rest of your day.